Alright, beautiful people. We are here reporting from Pismo Beach. What we have here is a extremely windy day today, and a lot of the litter that was stored under the bridge from the homeless people here has blown out. Now I'm working on underneath there and on the other side and over here, but right now I just want to do a quick cleanup and focus on this plastic that's gotten loose because of the wind before it goes in the creek there. So we're gonna do a quick little cleanup right here. Then I'm gonna run to this. Wow. All right. Yeah. Getting her done. As usual. Yeah. There's lots of stuff around here to get. Like you go over one area and you see a bunch of stuff you missed a few seconds later. Here we are on the scene. It is us, Clean Green. Alright, well, you know this site well. The site of all our dozens and dozens of bags, and we've been getting them picked up, so we're going to start another pile, see how many we can accumulate here, and then put them over there. Let the state take them away. Another successful day. That is one bag of trash and litter that will not be going into the canal, the creek, the ocean. That stuff right